Hi there, I'm Hannah. It's nice to meet you. I'm a native Tagalog speaker and a fluent English speaker from the Philippines. If you're looking for a teacher who actually gets the language journey, you're in the right profile. I love teaching, and I actually went all in on it. I graduated magna cum laude from the Philippine Normal University, which is one of the top teacher training schools in my country. For the past 3 years, I've been helping students from different parts of the world learn English and Tagalog. Kumusta? Ako si Hana. Nagagalak akong makilala ka. Isa kong Pilipino na nag-aral ng Ingles bilang aking medyor. Nagtapos ako sa pamantasang normal ng Pilipinas na siyang sentro sa edukasyong pangguro sa aming bansa. Graduate ako ng may malaking karangalan. Sa nakalipas na 3 taon, marami na akong natulungang mga estudyante mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo na matutong mag-Ingles at mag-Tagalog. Our lessons together are completely about you. If you want to dive into textbooks or use specific materials, we can absolutely do that. But if you just want a relaxed, comfortable space to practice real conversations, I'm your person. I also love helping people to gear up for big moments like preparing for an exam or practicing for a job interview. I know firsthand how difficult and how scary it is to speak a new language because right now I'm actually learning Japanese. Nihongo wa muzukashi desu. So believe me, I know this struggle is real. All right, and our lessons would be super interactive. No boring lectures here. If you want a teacher you can easily talk to and be friends with, check out my schedule, book a class, and let's see if we click. Kita-kits tayo, kaibigan!